Hello everyone. Today's math question is 24 divided by 3 times the bracket 2 plus 10 divided by 5. First, we'll start by solving the bracket. 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 10 divided by 5. So first, we'll solve this position. 10 divided by 5, so that becomes 2. 2 plus 2, that makes 4 inside the bracket. Now, let's take 24 divided by 3, bracket 4. Next, 24 divided by 3, remove the bracket, and then multiply by 4. Now, we'll check from left to right. The first priority is division, the second priority is multiplication. So let's solve it from here. 24 divided by 3, then multiplied by 4. 24 divided by 3 is 81. Now, multiplying 8 by 4 gives us a total of 32. This is the correct answer.